It's my Wantable edit, Sunny Escape, take 2. If you want to see why I'm doing this same edit again, keep watching. Hey divas, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. I do unboxings and shopping hauls and clothing try-ons and a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Now if you enjoy those kinds of videos, then I invite you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my fun fashion adventures. I'm going to warn you, my kitty's in here. Every time she sees me sit down in front of the camera, she has to come in. And I let her in, and now of course she wants out. Hold on. Go on. It's not such a big deal when I do these videos, but when I do videos for my breastfeeding channel, it's a little inconvenient. Anyway, so Sunny Escape edit. So how I came to do this twice. If you haven't watched my Sunny Escape edit take 1, check it out and you'll see how terribly disappointed I was. A Sunny Escape, I thought it was going to be shorts and, summery things, warm weather things, and it was just so disappointing. And I came across a Facebook ad for it, and I commented that I got one and was very disappointed. Well, Wantable reached out to me. They sent me a private message, and they said that they wanted to send me another Sunny Escape edit for free, and they also gave me a $20 credit. So I have no bad things to say about Wantable's customer service. My first Wantable box, I was disappointed and I told them, and they did the same thing. So I just think their customer service is excellent. So I'm excited. I gave them real specific feedback about what I didn't like about the things in my last box. So I'm hopeful for this one. So Wantable's a subscription service. It is $20 styling fee. Let's see inside. And they make personalized stickers, so it says styled for Andrea. And anything that you purchase, you can use the styling fee towards crediting it. All right, so there is, oh, and that's the other side. Okay, so we've got, looks like we've got some white denim. Excited about that. Something striped, couple striped things, and something blue, looks like something navy. They send you 7 items. They send you a postage paid envelope for anything that you want to send back or need to exchange. You can do it also by UPS because they send you a label. And this is, there's a note in here. Let me see. It looks like they gave me a different stylist. So I'll read that in a minute. Let's see what they sent me. Okay, first on top is a navy, I think they call that a surplus top. And this is very similar to something I got, I can't remember who I got it from, but it's in black. The one that I have already that I kept. Might have been Stitch Fix. This is the, oh, it's got prices on it. I don't like the prices. I don't like to see the prices. I like to wait until the end. This is Lavendar, and it's just a sleeveless. I like that style. I have several things like that. It's very soft. I wonder what it's made of. It is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. So that looks like something that I cannot go wrong with. So I'm excited to see that. And then we've got something light blue. And it's another sleeveless top. It's got a V-neck. And it's got kind of like a raw edge. It's like a layered neckline, and it's kind of like a raw edge. It's, again, very soft. It's got a rounded hem, and the back has just a little bit of a seaming detail. So I love the color. This is by Z Supply. Very soft, Let's see what this is made of. Blue is my favorite color, so. And this is 95% rayon and 5% spandex also. So I think that'll be really cute. And then next up, we've got a white t-shirt, a v-neck, again with kind of a layered, unfinished hem, kind of layering. I don't know if you can see that very well in the camera, but it's got a rounded hem. And this is by Z Supply Organic. So that's nice. I have a white t-shirt, but if it fits nice, you can always wear a white t-shirt, right? Now this is by That Cozy Life Thread and Supply. And this is more like a lightweight sweatshirt. And this is, let's see. This is okay. I'm not I'm not into all the different colors. Excuse me. I am not into all the different colors of striping. That's not something that really appeals to me, but we'll try it on and see how it looks. And then looks like there's some jewelry in here. I've been getting a lot of jewelry because I have a Rocksbox subscription. Well, that's cute. It's just a little kind of upside down kind of horseshoe. Token jewelry designs. So we'll try that on. Okay, these are some shorts and they are striped. They are really, really striped. Pink and yellow and blue, couple shades of pink, and they look like they're a paper bag style waist. So we'll have to see how those look. And then, who are they made by? Skies Are Blue. And then we've got some cut from the cloth, denim with a button front fly, which is something I asked for. It's got a raw hem. They look like a skinny. These I am super excited about trying on. These are the high-rise skinny ankle, the high-rise Connie ankle skinny. Boy, I'm having trouble talking today. I've got some good stretch, and oh, I'm just so excited. I've been looking for some white button front, so let's get to the try on. I will show you my outfit of the day first. So I am, what is it called, monotonal? I've got on the bodysuit that I think I got from a short story box, and it's this soft, pretty wine color, and then I'm wearing these, what are these? AG jeans that are burgundy, that I love. I wear them all the time. So just coming up close. It's just got the cross detail, and I've got this necklace that, I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, so this is my outfit of the day, and just some black flats with it. And let's get to this try on. So these are the cut from the cloth button front fly jeans. I like them. I think I need to size down though. There's a lot of gapping and they're kind of loose here. These are size 4, which I usually wear. I haven't worn a 2 in a long time. And the top, I can't remember who made this top, but it's got the cross detail, it's got ruching here, sleeveless. I love the top, and I think I will probably keep this. I love navy, even though I have a black one and it's the exact same style. I think it's very pretty and it's soft and comfortable. So these are, look at how much gapping there is. So I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope they have them in it too. And I paired them with some golden brown Steve Madden sandals. They kind of go back and forth like that. So I like this outfit. This is, I'm just hoping that I can get the jeans. They're definitely too big. Fingers crossed. All right, let's try something else on. I left the white jeans on and put on this blue top. Very flowy. Comes down, you know, covers the bum and the back. And it's longer in the back than the front. It's got the rounded hemline and just the V-neck. It's very, very soft. I like it. I think it looks good with these jeans. And that's from the back. It's really comfortable. Come a little bit closer so you can see it up close. Oh, I also tried on that necklace, and it's very delicate. I think a horseshoe is supposed to be worn upside down like that because it keeps the good luck in. I think I've heard that. All right, well, I'm definitely happier with this box than I was with the first one, so, which is good because I also got a Stitch Fix and a short story box this week, and I was not real thrilled with either one of those, so it's nice to get some pieces that I like. All right, let's get on to the next thing. Let's try these shorts on. These are the shorts, and they are really comfortable, really soft. They're very loose, so it has almost like a skirtish look, and then the white t-shirt. And don't mind, I'm wearing a black bra, so if you can see it, that's why. It has pockets, pleated, this bow. I wish it wasn't striped because I am just not into the striped look. It just looks kind of clownish to me. So I don't think it's a good look for me. But if they were like just a plain or just like two colors of stripes or just not all these different colors, I think I would keep them for sure because I think it's a fun look. But the stripes are not my thing. I'm going to pull the shirt out. It's just a white rounded hem t-shirt, the V-neck. It's fine. It's soft. There's nothing exciting about it. So I'm not sure that I'll keep it. I guess it depends on the price. All right, last thing to try on. So this is that light little sweatshirt, and I just paired it with some capri jeans. Well, when I roll them up, they're capri that I got last year from a trunk club. And this is something, it reminds me of a shirt I would have dressed my sons in when they were little. So it's very soft. It's very soft. It's, you know, it just doesn't do anything for me, the stripes. It's not a look that I find terribly attractive. So the shirt is a no. Let's do the prices and a recap. All right, I'm going to read the note from my stylist. Andrea, you have 5 days of discovery. Enjoy it, take your time. This edit is all about you. Hi Andrea, so excited for you. You are going to love this limited time Sunny Escape edit. It's one of the most fun themed edits we've done so far. This collection is packed with cute styles that feel great whether you're enjoying a vacay or a staycay. Plus, I wanted to make sure I styled you with pieces you can wear now and all through summer. This sounds exactly like the same note from the other one. Yeah, okay, I'm not going to read the rest of it because... Anyway, so the Vagabond tank they're calling this lavender gray. I don't know, y'all. That looks as blue can be to me. But it's $39. It's in a small. This is a definite yes. I like this a lot. It is so soft. It's And I don't know, I don't know that I showed you that before. It's got like a raw hem at the bottom too, kind of that unfinished edge. So that is a yes. The multi-stripe belted short in peach and ivory, these are $54. These are a no. It's just too much stripe for me. So I'm sad because they're, you know, so soft, and I thought they actually looked pretty cute, but that's just too much stripe. And in the same vein, the Fairview top in whipped cream is $59, and that's a no also, because the stripes just don't, again, very soft, but the stripes don't do it for me. And then we have got the organic cotton v-neck tee by Z Supply in white, and this is $38, which is not a bad price. If you buy 5 things, you get 20% off. I do not think, interesting. Okay, sorry. I do not think I'm gonna have 5. I guess we'll count. And then the solid wrap front sleeveless top in navy is $44, and that is something that I requested, and I'm gonna keep that for sure. Jewelry. They said they sent me the teardrop stone earrings in navy, which would have been $42. They didn't. They sent me this necklace, so I have no idea how much the necklace is. And then the Connie high-rise button fly skinny in Optic white in size 4 are $89, and that was another thing I requested. I'm going to check and see if they have them in a size 2, because I love them, but they are too big. So if I bought everything, it would be $365. If I kept 5 things, it would give me the discount, and I think this is a discount on everything, so it's a little bit confusing because you only have to keep 5, but I think the discount they quote you is if you buy everything, and that would be $73. So the order subtotal would be $292, and then sales tax. So I am going to go get on their site and see if they have these jeans in a 2, and if so, then I will end up keeping 1, 2. I think I'm going to keep 3 things. I think I'm going to keep the jeans, the light blue top, and the navy top. The white t-shirt was just, I have a v-neck white t-shirt already, and I like it better than that one. So I kind of wish they'd sent me those earrings, because that was something I had requested, and they looked really cute. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I always appreciate it that you watch and help me out with decisions and give me your opinions. So if you liked it, please give me that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you will do that this time. And until next time, dress like you mean it, divas.